A lot of people ask us what a shoe is called. On this video, we're going to show you how to look up Adidas shoes and Nike shoes that don't come with their box. Let's start with this Adidas shoe. You're going to find the inside tag. Here it is right here. And you're looking for the article number. On this shoe, it is CQ2133. So now you'll open up Google and type that article number in, Adidas CQ2133, hit enter, and it'll come right up. This is an Adidas Women's Ultra Boost ST. Now let's do the Nike shoe. So in the Nike, you're gonna find the inside tag, and here you're looking for the 9-digit number right below the sizing. So this one, it is 869994-600. So go ahead and do the same thing. Open up Google and type in the article number, Nike 869994-600, and it'll come right up as a Nike Air Max Sequin grade school. Now that you know the names of the shoe, you can use that name to look up the comps on the selling platforms that you're using. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.